नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 11th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video on daily basis I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, disclose my learning and share my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trading idea and trade setup. So let's see what happened in Nifty today. Today, for Nifty, we entered the market with understanding that market was in consolidation phase, and yesterday the move was looking kind of weak. So my trade plan for today was sell on rise. I was carrying some Bank Nifty three lots with me. In the market, when market opened up, uh, it shown a red bar. I exited my position on this particular 15-minute breakout as planned in this position in loss. And then for entire day on Bank Nifty, I did not take any trade. Whether on Nifty, uh, on 15-minute after 15-minute bar, it has taken a support on pivot and started moving up. So I took position on 15,100 CE on 15-minute breakout. Then somewhere on L3, where my trade plan was to sell on Nifty, I exited on this. I tried to double up my position here to see if Nifty is gonna break L3, but it didn't happen. Then I did multiple trade here. Eventually, I exited on this green bar. Then I took a P position on this red bar. I maintained my position till 12:30. I did not change my stop loss, and then 12:30 this red bar came and took my stop loss off. Then again I continued my P position, which eventually I exited on this particular red bar. So mota mota another negative day for me. Uh, was the learning? Learning is simple. I'm taking too many trades, so I need to reduce number of trades. I had managed my position in positive by end of this particular first exit, but here I made again few mistakes in placing orders, and I had some issue. So I need to be disciplined that I do not take more than in one strategy, not more than three trade. So one entry, second is increase quantity, and third is exit. That's it. So in a day, I shouldn't take more than in one instrument more than five trade. So that's one thing which I have to control. So having said that, let's see how was our plan for tomorrow. So as we see, our dollar index is going down. So this is a very good sign for emerging market. Global market has just opened up and they are looking almost flat, with Singapore Nifty having around 24 point upside. Now, when we see Nifty on daily basis, Nifty has shown a very strong green bar today. So as against my red bar expectation, we have seen a green bar. That's why they say you should never predict the market. So on daily basis, excuse me, Nifty has closed above 8, above 20 and above all the moving average. So the trend is up, and it continues its consolidation between the zone of 15,000 and 15,300. On 15-minute chart, Nifty has closed comfortably above 8, 20 and 50-day moving average. So here also the trend is up. Dollar index is going down. So everything is looking quite good. And Reliance is also looking quite strong. So for tomorrow, the trade plan is buy on dip. Tomorrow the pivot for Nifty is at 15,142, which is closer to 20 bar moving average. L3 is 15,139 and L4 is 15,105. So tomorrow I look forward to buy Nifty in this particular zone, that is buy on dip for a target of 15,250. or 15,300. So I will again play with 15,100 CE for Nifty tomorrow. And one more learning I have today is my quantity. I have suddenly lost discipline on managing my quantity. So I need to be consistent with my quantity. So I will be playing only 6 lots of Nifty. First entry will be 3 lot, and then subsequently, if I want to add up my position, I will add another 3 lot and change my stop loss. So there's the plan, 3 plus 3, and I will continue that for the entire February series. Now, for a Bank Nifty, again the story remains the same almost. Bank Nifty has shown a 2 red bar, but in the same consolidation phase of 35,600 to 36,600. It has closed comfortably around above 8, 50 and 20-day moving average. So on daily basis, Bank Nifty is in uptrend. Phase of the market is consolidation. The consolidation boundary is 35,600 and 36,600. On 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed above, just on 50 bar moving average, above 20 and above 8. So here also the trend is up. Because of this last few days of consolidation, 200-day moving line is also climbing up. So this is also indication that market is in uptrend. Bank Nifty is in uptrend. So tomorrow for a Bank Nifty, trade plan is to buy on dip. Tomorrow pivot for Bank Nifty is 35,864, which is closer to today's closing, and L3 is 35,658, which is the consolidation line, and below that L4 is 35,441. So tomorrow, look forward to buy a Bank Nifty on consolidation line, which is 35,663. Look for a price reversal here for a target of first target of 36,100 and second target of 36,300. So that's the trade plan for tomorrow for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Buy on dip. Levels for Nifty: pivot 15,142, L3 15,139 and 15,105, and Bank Nifty pivot 35,864, L3 at 35,658 and L4 35,441 for a target of 36,300, which is H4. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading strategy and trading idea. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So now let's look into my MTM. I forget to talk about my MTM on daily. So today I had a loss of 3896. I did some trade on Hero MotoCorp, which gave me profit of 3000. In C trade, I did multiple trade and I lost good profit here. At one point of time, I was around 6,000 rupees profit, and then P position I made a mistake, and this was the negative on my carryover position. So minus 3896. This week has been a negative week for me. Let's see, we will recover. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.